Hey there, today I'll be showing you how to build 5 easy Lego things that anyone can make. To build a chair, get 2 1x2 slope pieces and connect it to a 1x2 plate. Then connect that to a bracket piece. Then connect the bracket piece and the 1x2 tile on a 2x2 round plate. The next easy thing I'm going to show you how to build is this easy Lego staircase. You only need one type of piece and you need lots of it. Basically, get a 1x4 modified tile and connect it on one stud, as shown in the video, and repeat that for multiple times. And that's how you build a simple spiral staircase. Now let's build a simple toolbox. Get a 2x2 plate and 2 of these pieces and connect them on the bottom. The following step is to get a 1x2 brick and place in the back. Next, get 2 1x2 modified plates and stack one on top of a 1x2 plate and one under a 1x2 plate. And place it in the front. The next step requires a bracket piece and place a handlebar piece on top and a 1x2 tile right under it, and connect this to the right side of the build. On the left side, you'll also have to use a bracket piece and place a 1x2 tile on the bottom. Then get 2 1x1 clip pieces and place them on top, and that's where you can clip on your tools. And to finish it off, you can use a 2x2 plate or 2 1x2 tiles. To build the easy lamp, use one of these pieces in a 1x1 stud. Then take a clip piece and connect it. And connect it to a disc piece. To build a microscope, use one of these pieces and place a clear stud right under it. Put a 1x1 plate right there. Then put some binoculars on top. And the final step is to place a stud on a 1x2 plate and connect it to your build. And that's how you build 5 easy Lego things. If you're interested in exclusive content and behind the scenes, you can follow me on Instagram at rbricksofficial, and I'll see you next time.